Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. Stock number is 18F202A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks, chrome bumper and grille. You have front parking sensors in the front as well to keep you nice and safe. Alloy wheels wrapped with hand-cooked tires. Running boards on the side, inside, leather interior. Front seats are heated and cooled seats. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera, as well as a factory trailer hitch here on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Power adjustable seats, four-wheel drive controls, cruise, heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control, as well as dual heated and cooled seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.